Back on the road, this time with some fellow Volkswagen enthusiasts. We are heading to the western part of Norway. Not really sure where, but I think we're going to see some beautiful places along the way. And we're going to spend 4 days on the road. We just left the other guys at the hotel and we're gonna hike this mountain.
Truck Norris made it up here to this beautiful mountain road leading up to a place called Romsdalshornet, which is the peak you can see there. And yeah, we managed to forget all our most crucial clothing, so we don't have any wool. We don't have any wool clothing or anything, so this night can be really freezing. We'll see. It's gonna be fun. Another challenge to overcome, I guess. After a short hike up the mountain, we ended up here. We have set up the tent, and as you can see, there is really not much to complain about. We have this super cool peak behind us here, and beneath us you can see the river flowing through, and it ends up in the valley down there. And yeah, this is life with a dog. She just flipped my beer. Oh well. But anyways, I don't complain. This is, oh, what a great spot. Gotta love hiking in the snow. You can gain so many free meters when you just ski down the slushy snow like that. We'll be driving down the steep mountain road again, join up with the other classic cars, and today's driving distance will be long. I think it's gonna be really cool. We'll see more of what Norway has to offer. Hopefully we can keep up, because we have a camper van, so it's a bit heavier than the others, and also the other cars are like in pristine condition. A few of them have even swapped engines, so they have brand new engines. honestly, that just tempts me even more to do something with Norris engine. Anyway, let the day begin. How cool is this place? It's like a museum hidden away in a barn. Look at all this stuff. You have like old mopeds made in Norway. You have old newspapers, paintings, clocks. There's a bunch of stuff. So the host of this place, who owns this barn, this museum, actually offered us to sleep in a part of the museum. Check this out. This is where we spent the night, and as you can see, there are a lot of like historic relics and all kinds of things that you don't see very often these days. How cool is that? And of course there's full of classic veteran cars, such as this beauty right here.